Hey, you know when you're going to the bathroom and you hear those funny noises? No, I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about when you flush the toilet and you start to hear all these high-pitched whistling noises. That's what we're going to talk about today. Welcome back. Why am I having these crazy noises coming from my toilet? Well, hey, I'm Kevin with Calco Plumbing, Heating and Air Conditioning, and I just want to let you know if you're having other kinds of noises happening with your plumbing, we made another video up there for you to take a look at. But right now we're going to drill down on the toilet itself, that's what we're going to talk about. So oftentimes when you flush a toilet, the fill valve, it has a float in there, and it realizes there's been a water level drop and it's going to refill that tank for you. And sometimes there's some problems there that take place in the valve, the fill valve that fills the toilet. And those problems can be easily addressed. It could be a serious problem. It could be a pressure related problem. And I've seen where these things will actually come apart in your toilet and start flooding. So don't ignore these noises. It's a nice little warning sign that you're getting, and you really need to have these issues looked at. So, but in the toilet, of course, that seal is designed to shut off at a certain level. And if you get too high of a pressure, it won't shut off and it'll start making some pretty crazy noises as well. And you might not notice a leak right away, but don't ignore these noises. This is one that could really come back to bite you. So you really want to take a look at this, have this problem checked out right away. Could also be high pressure in the system, and nothing's wrong with the toilet, but again, you could have high pressure in your plumbing system, which could be an intermittent problem as well. So again, I encourage you not to ignore this one. So just to recap, there's three issues that it could be. The shutoff isolation valve underneath the toilet could be vibrating. Could also be the fill valve where it starts to shut off and there's high pressure against that valve and it's struggling to shut off, and also the float mechanism. So if you're not interested in doing this yourself, the information's on the screen. You know what to do. Give us a call. I'm Kevin with Calco Plumbing and Heating and Air. We'll see you next time.